27 to the A plus 125 to the B equal to 10. 9 to the A plus 25 to the B equal to 7. We want to find A and B. A and B are real numbers. Okay. So 27 is 3 cubed, 9 is 3 squared, 1 to 5, 5 cubed, 25, 5 squared. So if we write them like that, 27, 3 cubed to the A plus 1 to 5 is 5 cubed to the B equal to 10. And this one is 3 squared to the A plus 25 is 5 squared to the B equal to 6. Okay, now we use the famous power rule. Let me write it here, x to the m n. You can switch m and n because x to the n to the m equal to x to the m. Now we switch 3 and a, 3 and b. So let's rewrite that. It will be 3 to the a to the 3 plus. Next one, 5 to the b cubed equal to 10. For next one also we switch 2 and a and 2 and b. So it will be 3 to the a squared plus 5 to the b squared equal to 7. Now, we consider 3 to the a equal to, for example, c, 5 to the b equal to d. So here it will be c cubed plus d cubed equal to 10. And here it will be c squared plus d squared equal to 7. Okay, when we see this problem, one way is to use variables. And if you want to use variables, we write some of them as s. This is a famous changing variable. And cd the product key. And we want to write this and this in terms of cn. One famous identity is c cubed plus d cubed. You should memorize it. It is c plus d cubed minus 3cd times c plus d. And the other one, c squared plus d squared. Also, you should memorize it because they are basic and famous identities minus 2c. If you write in terms of s and p, this first one is s cubed, sum cubed minus 3ps. We know it is equal to 10. And the next one is equal to s squared minus 2 equal to 7. Okay, for this part, I use substitution. For substitution here, I say from first one, we write p in terms of s. So s squared plus s squared minus 7 over 2 equal to, okay? Now I replace p in terms of s in first one, s cubed minus 3ps. So s cubed minus 3, instead of p, we write s squared minus 7 over 2, s squared minus 7 over 2 times s, 3ps, equal to 10. Okay, now we multiply both sides by 2. It will be 2s cubed minus 3s squared minus 7 times s equal to 20. Next step, we say 2s cubed minus 3s cubed plus 21s equal to 20. Now we take all things to left-hand side or right-hand side. 2s cubed minus 3s cubed negative s cubed. When you take it to right-hand side, it will be s cubed minus 21s plus 20. Now we see s1 works. Okay? S equal to 1 works, so we can factorize. 0 equal to s minus 1. S squared, it will be s cubed minus s squared. We don't have s squared here, so we place plus s. It will be plus s squared minus s. We want to reach negative 21s, so we place negative 20. It will be negative 20s minus 20 times negative 1 plus 20 equal to 0. So the first one is 0, or second part is 0. If the first one is 0, you can say s equal to 1. If this one 0, you can say that s squared plus s minus 20 is 0. And you can factorize. It's s plus 5, s minus 5, s minus 4 equal to 0. Okay? Now, s negative 5, the other values, and s equal to 4. Because, look, c and d are what? C and d are 3 to the a, 5 to the b. It is always positive because the graph of 3 to the A or 5 to the B? Is this always positive increasing function? A and B are real numbers. So P and S should be positive. So here, this -5, it's not possible. Now, let's use this. P is S squared minus 7 over 2. So P is S squared minus 7, 1 minus 7 minus 6 over 2, -3. For this one, S squared 16 minus 7, 9 over 2. So this one, S squared minus 7 over 2, it's -3. Again, because P is negative, it's not possible. So our only possible case is S equal to 4, P equal to 9 over 4, 9 over 2. C and D here, we said S is C plus D, P is CD. So let's check. P plus D is S is 4, CD is 9 over 2. You can say D is 4 minus C, and if you replace it here and multiply by 2, 2CD, C instead of D, we write 4 minus C equal to 9. So it will be what? 2C times 4 is 8C minus 2C squared equal to 9. We take all things to right hand side. 2C squared minus 8C plus 9 equal to 0. And we know by quadratic formula, if we have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, if x is real number, and then discriminant or delta, which is b squared minus 4ac, should be at least 0 here. If we apply that, delta or discriminant will be -8 squared minus 4 times 2 times 9, 4ac. -8 squared is 64, minus 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 9, 72. It's -8 and it's less than 0. So it's contradiction here. So we don't have any real answer for C and D, and also we can say for A and B. Okay, we solved this problem. If you have questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.